What are you doing?
Yaya.
Oh, you're fixing it?
Fixing it.
Oh, wow. You have it up on the Oh, man. You got it up so you can get underneath of it?
See, I got two. I got two.
Oh, two of them.
Two of the Yaya bombing one.
To fix them, right?
To be my Yaya.
We should get your chuck set up so you could show Grandma how you do it.
Oh.
Wanna?
Try the broken the
No. Well, the other one will work.
Maybe. No, not zip on.
Where'd you get those tools?
Huh?
Where'd you get those tools?
For Yaya house.
Who gave them to you?
Yaya.
And?
Yeah.
And?
And
Yayo.
Yaya and Yaya?
Yeah.
Two?
For Christmas? Should we set up the chuck?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Can we pause this thing?